Now question number 17. Find the equation of a straight line passing through the intersection of 2x plus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 with x-axis and parallel to the line 3x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. So we need to find out the equation of line which passes through the point of intersection of line 2x plus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and x-axis. Now at x-axis the value of y or the ordinate is always 0. So therefore x-axis, the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. So first we need to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. Point of intersection of the lines is what? Just simply simplify them or simultaneously and find the values of x and y. Now y is equal to 0, it is given to us. So substituting y is equal to 0 over here, so 2x plus 5 into 0 minus 4 is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to 4, or x is equal to 0. So therefore point of intersection of these two lines are 2, 0. And further they are saying the required line is parallel to 3x minus 7y plus 8 is equal to 0. So we will find out the slope of this line, and as we all know that the slopes of the parallel lines are same, so we will be using those. 7y is equal to 3x plus 8, dividing each term by 7. Y is equal to 3 by 7 plus 8 by 7. Comparing with standard form, y is equal to mx plus c. Slope is equal to 3 by 7. Slope is equal to 3 by 7 and point is 2, 0. So we need to find out the equation of a line whose slope is 3 by 7 and passing through point 2, 0. Again, which form we are going to use? Point slope form. While teaching, I told you people that 90% of the questions will be solved by using that point slope form. So y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Y minus 0 is equal to 3 by 7 x minus 2. Cross multiplying 7y is equal to 3x minus 6. Substituting all the values to one side. This is the required equation. Question number 19. So this time we need to find the equation of the perpendicular from the point 1, minus 2 on the line 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, and hence or also find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, say this is line and its equation is given to us 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. You need to find out the equation of a line from point P1, minus 2 and perpendicular to this line, say A. This is our required line. We need to find out the equation of this line. Furthermore, we need to find out the coordinates of A also. So again we get to the basic. so as to find the equation of a straight line, we need slope, y-intercept or either of the point. So we have one point. So what else we require? We require slope. Now, so as to find out the slope, we must remember these two lines are given perpendicular, and we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their slopes is equal to -1. So if I say this is PQ line, we already used, okay, CD line. So we can easily find out the slope of CD with the help of this equation. 4x minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Transforming it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. 4x minus 5, or dividing each term by 3. Y is equal to 4 by 3x minus 5 by 3. So y is equal to slope of CD x minus c. So slope of CD is equal to 4 by 3. Now, since line CD is perpendicular to line PA, so therefore slope of PA into slope of CD will be -1. Now we had found the slope of CD, which is 4 by 3 is equal to -1. So we easily get the slope of the required line -3 by 4. Now for this line PA, we have slope as well as point. So we will be applying point slope form. So equation of required line from point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus y1, that is -2, m minus 3 by 4, x minus x1, x minus 1. This will be y plus 2 is equal to -3 by 4, x minus 1. Cross multiplying, 4y plus 8 is equal to -3x plus 3. Substituting 3x plus 4y plus 8 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. Now, the question is also extended that you need to find out the coordinate of this point A. Now, we have the equation of line CD. We found the equation of line PA, and we need to find out the coordinates of their point of intersection. So, similarly, solving both the equations simultaneously, we can easily get the value of x and y, and that will be the coordinates of the point of intersection, or A, or a foot of the perpendicular. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 and multiplying equation 2 by 3. So we get 16x minus 12y minus 20 is equal to 0. 9x plus 12y plus 15 is equal to 0. Adding them, minus 12y plus 12y cancel, 19 plus 6, that is 25x is equal to minus 5, or x is equal to minus 5 by 25 minus 1 by 5. Now substituting the value of x in either of the equation, (4 into minus 1 by 5 minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0), or minus 4 by 5 minus 5 is equal to 3y. 5 is LCM, minus 4 minus 25 is equal to 3y. Minus 29 upon 15 is equal to y. So therefore, coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular is minus 1 by 5 and minus 29 by 15. Question number 24. The A minus 1 comma 3, B 4 comma 2 and C 3 comma 2 are the vertices of a triangle. Okay, let us make a triangle. A minus 1 comma 3, B 4 comma 2 and C 3 comma 2. So these are the three vertices of the triangle. Find the coordinates of the centroid G of the triangle. Now, what is centroid? It is the point of intersection of medians. And in the previous chapter, you people might have learned that the coordinates of the centroid are given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Let this be x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So the coordinates of centroid G will be, say G here only, minus 1 plus 4 plus 3 by 3, 3 plus 2 plus 2 by 3. So 7 and 6 by 3, that is 2. 4 plus 3, 7 by 3. Okay. So we got the coordinates of G2, comma 7 by 3. Now you have to find the equation of the line through G and parallel to AC. Okay, this is AC and we need to find out the equation of a line which is passing through G and it is parallel to AC. So this is our required line. What we had for the required line? We have one point, that is 2 comma 7 by 3. What else we require? We require slope of this line. Now since these two lines are parallel to one another, then whatsoever the slope of the required line will be equal to what? Slope of AC. Now slope of AC can be easily found by the 2-point form, that is difference of ordinate upon difference of FC psi. That is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Here in this case we will have y3 minus y1 upon x3 minus x1. 2 minus 3 upon 3 minus minus 1, or minus 1 by 4. The slope of the required line is minus 1 by 4 and 1.2 comma 7 by 3 is given to us. From point slope form, y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. So y minus 7 by 3, m is minus 1 by 4, x minus x1, x1 is 2. Cross multiplying 4y minus 4 28 by 3 minus 6 plus 2. Multiplying each term by 3. 12y minus 28 minus 3x plus 6. 3x plus 12y minus 28 minus 6 is equal to 0. Or 3x plus 12y minus 34 is equal to 0 is the required equation of line. I hope you people are understanding this. Whenever I need to find out the equation of a line, I see that one of the point is given, it is fine. Now what else we require? We require slope. Now slope is mandatory. So as to find out the equation of a line, the slope is mandatory, then either of the point or y-intercept is provided to you. You can easily find out the equation of a line. Now so as to find out the slope, the two conditions are very important, that if the lines are parallel to one another, then their slopes are equal, and if the lines are perpendicular to one another, then the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Then you know the forms. Now question number 30. Points A and B have coordinates 7 comma minus 3 and 1 comma 9. Okay, let's consider this point A, 7 comma 9. Sorry, 7 comma minus 3 and there is another point B whose coordinates are 1, 9. Find the slope of AB. Okay, it's very easy. You can easily find out the first part, that is slope of AB. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Difference of ordinate upon difference of abscissa. 9 minus minus 3 upon 1 minus 7. That is 12 by minus 6. 2. It's minus 2. The slope of AB is minus 2. The equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Now we need to find out the equation of a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, that means it is perpendicular to the AB and bisecting it also. So this is our required line. We need to find out the equation of this line. Now for that, now this time neither a point nor a slope is provided to us. So first we can easily find out the point. It is given that it is a perpendicular bisector of the line segment AB. Hence O is the midpoint of AB which lies on the required line. So if O is midpoint of AB, the coordinates of O, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. So 7 plus 1 upon 2 minus 3 plus 9 by 2, or 8 by 2 4 and 6 by 2, that is 3. So we got one point, 4, 3. Now what about the slope now? Since it is given that these lines are perpendicular to one another, hence the product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Slope of AB into slope of the required line, say M, is equal to minus 1 as they are perpendicular. Slope of AB we know it, that is minus 2, M is equal to minus 1, or M is equal to half. So now we have both the conditions, required conditions, required things. Slope half, point 4, 3. So applying y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1, y minus 3 is equal to half x minus 4. 2y minus 6 is equal to x minus 4, or x minus 2y minus 4 plus 6 is equal to 0, or x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation, required equation of line. Now the third part. You need to find out the value of P if minus 2, P lies on it. Now they are saying you need to find out the value of P if minus 2, P lies on above line. Now if this point is lying on this line, that means the coordinates of this point will satisfy the equation. That means on substituting at x as minus 2, y is as P. So x as minus 2 times y to p plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled out, or minus 2 p is equal to 0, or p is simply 0. This is your answer. Now question number 33. Find the image of the point 1, 2 in the line x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay. Say this is the point A, 1, 2, and say this is line x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. And what we need to find out? We need to find out the coordinates of image of A when it is reflected through this line. Now, so as to solve this question, some physics is also required. As we all know that the image is formed as far as behind the mirror, as far as object is kept in front of it. This we have learned in class 7 or 8, the reflection. So from this, that means the image of A will be as far as from the reflecting line as far as object is kept in front of it. That means this line is the perpendicular bisector of A and A dash. Okay, so what we require? Now, so as to find out, this is the equation is given. We can easily find out the equation of A dash. We know this point. Okay, we can easily find out this point of perpendicular, the foot of the perpendicular. Then O is the midpoint of A dash, and we can easily find out the coordinates of A dash. So basically we need to find out the coordinate of this O first, the midpoint. For that we require the equation of A dash. Then simultaneously we will solve these equations, we will get the coordinate of O. So this line is given x minus 2y is equal to 7. So 2y is equal to x minus 7 dividing each term by 2. So y is equal to 1 by 2, x minus 7 by 2. Say y is equal to m1x plus c1. The slope is half. But line is perpendicular to AA dash. So therefore, slope of AA dash into slope of line is equal to minus 1. The slope of AA dash into half is equal to minus 1. Or slope of AA dash is equal to minus 2. Now we have the slope of AA dash as well as one point. So therefore, equation of AA dash by point slope form y minus y1 m times x minus x1. So y minus 2 m is minus 2 x minus 1, or y minus 2 is equal to minus 2x plus 2, or 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0, or 2x plus y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the equation of AA dash. Now we'll solve these two equations simultaneously, and we'll find out this is first equation, this is second equation, multiplying second by 2. So x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. 4x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Adding minus 2y plus 2y will be cancelled out. 5x minus 15 is equal to 0. 5x is equal to 15, or x is equal to 3. Substituting the value of x in either of the equation, 3 minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0, minus 4 is equal to 2y, or y is equal to minus 2. So therefore, coordinates of O will be 3 comma minus 2. Now we got the coordinate of 3 comma minus 2, which is which is the midpoint of AA dash. So let coordinate of A dash be x2, y2. Then this is x1, y1, and this is xy. So you can easily find out x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. X is 3, x1 is 1, x2 we need to find out 2. 6 minus 1 is equal to x2, or x2 is equal to 5. Similarly, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Y is minus 2, y1 is 2, plus y2 we need to find out upon 2. Minus 4 minus 2 is equal to y2, or y2 is equal to minus 6. Therefore, the coordinate of image A dash is equal to 5 comma minus 6. This is your answer. Thank you, students. Now here our chapter comes to an end. We will start a new topic. in next class.